Hi everyone, let's discuss volume of prism. So first question we have, find the volume of each prism. In this one it is a rectangular prism and the base is a rectangle in this case. Okay, so the first of all the volume formula is V equal base multiply height, where capital B for base area. Okay, I'm talking about base area. Okay, and V stands for volume and H will stands for height. Now here if you see the base is a rectangle, so that will be length multiply width, so that will give you 5 multiply 2 and that is 10 centimeter. Okay, now volume, substitute the values here. 10 multiply 3, the height is 3 here, this is your height, so volume is equal 10 multiply 3 is 30 centimeter power 3, centimeter cube or centimeter power 3. That's how you find the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, so the main thing here is you need to look at the base area. That's the main thing. This capital B, you need to find this if it is not given. So this is very important. Okay, that's the only difference in each question. So here when the base is a rectangle, the base area is length multiply width. The length is 5, width is 2, right? Okay, now next question. Now here this is a triangular prism. In this triangle the base is 11 and the height is this one. For this triangle the height is 7. Okay, but for the overall prism the height is h, right? So don't get confused in the terms. So let's find the base area first of all, capital B. So the formula for base area, which is a triangle, so the area of triangle formula is base multiply height divide 2. Remember, base multiply height divide 2. So 11 multiply 7 divide 2 and you will get 77 divide 2. That will give us 77 divide 2 will give us 38.5. 38.5. The unit is meter square. Now what is the volume formula? The volume formula is same. Volume is equal base area multiply height. So the base area in this one is a triangle area. So the triangle is 38.5 multiply with height is 14. Okay, so 38.5 multiply 14 will give you 539. So the volume is 539. The unit is meter power 3 or meter cube. So power 3 is also called as cube, C-U-B-E. So that's how you will find the volume of prism. Now let's look at some more example. Now this will be difficult one little bit, so try to stay with me. Now in this one, what type of base area it is? So this is also a triangular prism, right? And the base area is triangle, right? The base area is what? A triangle. Okay, so this side is 15, this is 9, so this will also be 9. Now this side is how much? We need to find this side. So how we will find? Now if you look, this is a right angle triangle. So let me draw here. This is a right angle triangle. And now in the right angle triangle, you know how to apply Pythagorean theorem. If this is 5, this is 9. How much will be this? This will be square root of 15 square minus 9 square. Did I say 5? It's a 15, okay, if I say 5. So 15 square minus 9 square, that will give us 12. So this side will be 12. Now, what do we have to do? Now the things will get complicated a little bit, so try to stay with me. Now I need to find the height here, right? Because for the triangle, the base area is what? Base area is this 15 base multiply height divide 2, right? So this is base and this will be the height. So I need to find this distance. Okay, now how will I find this distance? So first let's say here the angle is theta and I'm taking sine theta, so you should know a little bit of trigonometry here. Now sine theta is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So here the opposite is what? 12, and how hypotenuse is 15. So if you don't know, when I'm considering this as angle theta, opposite to this side is opposite, the longest side is hypotenuse, and this will be adjacent, right? Now sine theta is equal 12 over 15 for this complete triangle. Now stay with me. What I will do now, I need to find this height, right? Now I will only consider this triangle because I need the height. So let's say this is your height. Now if I apply here sine theta is equal. Now in this case opposite is height. And what is hypotenuse here? Now this is the longest side. So the longest side is hypotenuse. So in this case hypotenuse is 9. Okay. This is your opposite, hypotenuse adjacent for this small triangle. Okay. Now this is also sine theta, this is also sine theta. So what I will do here, I will keep them equal. So 12 over 15 is equal h over 9 because both are sine theta, right? Now use the cross product, and or else what you can do is don't use the cross product. To remove this 9 from here, okay, what happened? Okay, it's going backward. Okay, h over 9. Yes, so remove this 9 by multiplying 9 both side. So 9 divide 9 will be 1. Now h is equal 12 multiply 9 divide 15. 12 multiply 9 divide 15 will give you 7.2, and the unit is centimeter. So that's how you will find the height. Okay, I did this slowly so you can understand, but if you understand this one time you can do it very fast. Okay, so height is 7.2. Now the volume formula is very simple. Volume is equal base multiply height. Now the base is how much? We need to find base also from here. Now base is, this is 15, this is 7.2. So 15 multiplies 7.2 divide 2. That will give you 15 multiplies 7.2 divide 2 will give us 54 centimeter square. So I will just substitute here. 54 multiply height is how much? Here the height is 6 centimeter. So 54 multiply 6. 54 multiply 6 will give us 324 centimeter cube. So that is your volume for this triangular prism. Okay, I know it was little long, but the steps are very limited. Okay, now just watch this again and I'm definitely sure that you will understand this. Okay, next question is 13. Now in this one the base area is given. The base area is a pentagon. Now the pentagon area is given 11.4 meter square. Now if it is not given, then what? So let me just write down the formula. If the pentagon area is not given, then in such case the pentagon area formula is perimeter multiply apodum divide 2. So perimeter is sum of all side and apodum is from center to the distance of one edge. Okay, this is your apodum A. You denote by small a. So that's how you will find if it is not given. But in this question it is given, so you don't have to worry about. Now what you will do, you will use volume is equal base area multiply height, and base area is 11.4. Now this is one theorem which is cavalry principle. If the base area is same along the height, if the base area is same along the height, so what is the height here? The height is 5.1, right? The height is how much? 5.1. Now what you can do mistake here, you can consider this 8.8 as height, which will be wrong. So the height is 5.1. So that's it. 11.4 is the base area, 5.1 meter is height, and you just multiply them. So 11.4 multiply 5.1, and that will give us 58.14. 58.14 meter cube. That will be your volume for this type of tilted prism. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understood. If you understood, then good luck. See you in the next one.